Welcome to the Technology Addicts podcast. In this episode, we're diving into an article from the latest issue of Focus magazine, exploring the exciting world of sustainable transportation. Safe and reliable connections for off-highway vehicles. Electric motors aren't just on trend for road cars. Electrification is also becoming more widespread in off-highway applications. High charging currents and harsh environmental conditions place particular demands on the connection technology, and the trend towards increasingly smaller designs means new solutions are required. It is not just road traffic that needs to reduce its CO2 emissions. More and more electric vehicles are also being developed for what is known as the off-highway sector. While this mainly relates to construction machinery, electric drive systems are also being promoted for the agricultural industry, municipal machinery, and mining and materials handling equipment. The major challenge in designing electric work machines is determining a simple way to charge their batteries on demand while still enabling the vehicles to remain in ongoing deployment. Direct current rapid charging solutions provide the answer to this problem. For example, they enable a state-of-the-art 8-ton compact excavator equipped with a CCS2 interface. CCS is short for Combined Charging System, to be fully charged in just 45 minutes at a charging capacity of 150 kilowatts, freeing up a further 6 hours of work time. However, the use of high-voltage cables also places high demands on the electrical, mechanical, thermal, and chemical properties and on the cable materials used. The contacting system must be able to cope with currents of up to 400 amperes. Future contacts will even have a current rating of more than 800 amperes and will enable a direct high-current connection to the electronics in the drivetrain, such as converters or power electronics. What's more, the plugs and cables also need to withstand the harsh conditions encountered by off-highway vehicles, such as strong vibrations, weather conditions, and mechanical stress. The way in which the associated plug connections are assembled influences the machine design, installation, and safe operation. For instance, cables designed for higher currents enable smaller cross-sections. This also means smaller bend radii and a lower weight, and thus greater flexibility and easier handling. Important factors when you don't have much installation space. Correct installation is also made easier if you have the right plug shape. Should it be straight or angled? And which protection class is required? Is IP67 sufficient, or do you need IP69K after all? The service providers and distributors operating in this market can provide tailored solutions that factor in all of these questions. The more manufacturers of single components they have access to, the more effectively the connection technology can be adapted to the application in question. Alongside electric drive systems, automation is another big trend that is shaping the world of connection technology. As a result of automation, the number of electric components found in work machines has risen constantly. Manufacturers need to find solutions with smaller, lighter components without impairing performance. In response, connection technology providers are coming up with increasingly smaller designs, such as plug connector systems designed specifically for areas where space is at a premium. In some cases, it is possible to reduce the crimp length by up to 50% and use significantly less installation space. Tailored solutions are required to successfully master the trends of electrification and automation in off-highway applications. Many different factors need to be taken into account when selecting suitable cables and plugs. While this may require a bit of time and effort initially, the results are definitely worth it, as customized connection technology not only ensures that the machines operate safely and reliably, it can also simplify the production process. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Technology Addicts podcast. For more exciting episodes, be sure to follow us on your favorite podcast platform and make sure to check out the show notes.